Let me be real with you. This isn't one of those overnight success stories. I didn't go viral. I didn't blow up. I didn't make $1 million in 30 days. But I did something most creators never do. I stayed. I documented everything. The doubts, the dry views, the invisible grind. From day one, with no face, no voice, no skills, and just 4 followers. I started with $0 and one uncomfortable question. Can a faceless creator actually grow in 2025 without shortcuts? This is the brutally honest journey of how I went from absolutely nothing to something real. Not $1 million in the bank yet, but something worth infinitely more. Belief, proof, momentum. Let's go back to the beginning. I wasn't the guy with a 4K camera setup. No team, no budget, not even confidence. All I had was a question burning in my chest. Could I create powerful content without showing my face? Could I grow a real audience just with strategy and storytelling? So I made my first faceless reel. It was stitched together with free stock footage. Voiceover generated by AI. Hook, weak. Story, meh. But I posted it anyway. It got 18 views. I laughed, and I sat there feeling empty. No likes, no comments, no sign of life. That was the moment most people give up. I could have deleted the post. I could have told myself this isn't working, but I didn't, because deep down I knew, if I quit now, I'll just be another almost story. So I gave myself permission to suck for now, because legends don't start perfect. They start delusional. Weeks went by. I posted every day, sometimes twice. Reels, carousels, shorts, studying the algorithm, reverse engineering virality. But most of my reels died at 112 views, so didn't even break 40. There were nights I sat on my bed, staring at my phone, thinking, am I wasting my time? This is the part no one tells you about. The lonely middle. It's not glamorous. No trending audio. No brand deals. Just silence. I kept notes. I built a Notion doc I now call Growth Diary. Every reel, every insight, every heartbreak. Reel number 12, 2 hours editing, 57 views. Reel number 19, used emotional hook. 1 share, felt something shift, and then I wrote this line in bold. This might be the longest intro to success ever, and that's okay. Around day 40, something cracked. I made a reel titled, Why I Kept Going Even When No One Cared. It was raw, no fancy B-roll, no editing wizardry, just my truth. And boom, 1,200 views. Then 10 comments, 4 shares. People messaged me saying, bro, I feel this. Thanks for posting this, needed it today. That was the first time I didn't feel alone. I replied to everyone. Follow back. Started building relationships, not just metrics. For the first time, I felt like a real creator, not just another username. What came next wasn't magic, it was systems. I stopped chasing viral tricks and started treating content like a job. Here's what I built. Monday, study 10 trending reels. Tuesday, write 5 hooks, pick 2. Wednesday, record, edit. Thursday, post and comment on 15 creators. Friday, analyze performance. Fix what flopped. No guesswork. No perfectionism. Just process. I created 4 core content pillars. 1. Faceless creator psychology. 2. Instagram growth insights. 3. Mindset for digital creators. 4. Honest behind-the-scenes progress. Suddenly, everything felt aligned. No more waking up confused about what to post. I became a creator on purpose. But systems don't protect you from doubt. Some days I'd craft the perfect script, obsess over edits, and the post would take not even 100 views. I'd open IG, see creators with 50K followers posting effortlessly, and that thought would hit. Maybe I'm not built for this. This is when most people delete their page. They vanish. They become part of the ghost town of abandoned dreams. But I stayed, because I knew views aren't validation. The act of showing up is. Every time I posted, I was voting for my future. Every comment I left, every script I rewrote, was a silent scream. I'm still here. By day 60, I didn't go viral, but something changed in me. I stopped fearing low views. I started loving the process. I became a better writer, storyteller, communicator. Followers? 70. Likes? Sometimes 10. But then, 3 DMs hit me hard. Your story made me start posting again. This reel saved me from quitting. You made faceless content feel possible. I realized I was chasing the wrong thing. It was never about money or followers. It was about impact. When your words make someone start, that's influence. That's legacy. So where am I now? Still building. Still unknown. But louder, clearer, stronger. I've stopped trying to go viral. Now, I'm trying to go deeper. And if you're still watching this, you're probably like me, building something from the dirt. Nobody that's chin. No hype. Just you versus you. Here's what I'll leave you with. Most people quit because they confuse silence with fear. But silence is where the story begins. If this video hit you, follow me on Instagram, Arenatics. That's where I drop daily scripts, content systems, and honest updates from the trenches. This is just the start, and I'm documenting every step until I make $1 million. Not just in money, but in mastery,